idea. Check it out, guys. This is quick and easy. On our trusty little cater. Some rice, some little bacon like cubes that you find, 1 onion, 1 red pepper, a carrot, a leek of which half is for tomorrow, some eggs, and some music. Can't cook without music, right? So a couple of twists here on our version of nasi tonight, because we got some carrots in here, which is not for the pure, obviously. Also, it's normally done with chicken cubes. We've got some bacon bits, and bacon bits are actually a good thing because they last forever in your fridge on a campsite, so that's always handy. Here's the other twist. Obviously you need an egg, because a fried egg on top is how it's done. There's the other twist. We don't have any Nasi Goreng mix, so we have a Bami Goreng mix. So we're going to give that a go, man. I don't know why I've been craving this for the last week or two, but it's just one of those meals which are really good, really easy, and yeah, love it. Okay, activate smell-o-vision. So the nasi spices are actually a little more substantial than the Bami ones. But as I said, we don't have any nasi left. So we're doing it this way. Fry an egg, put it on top, and you're done. How easy was this? I'll just give it a rating of 3.5 out of 10. Easy peasy. 10 being Chateaubriand in an oven at a 5-star restaurant. One thing you need on a campsite is an aluminium pan. It just makes life so much easier. So I normally have kerupuk with this and something else which I forgot, but we're camping. Sambal, dude. So here it is. You kind of cut up your egg, mix it in a bit, which is quite cool. Other people actually put a raw egg in the rice, in the pan, stir it up, and it becomes kind of a loose scrambled egg kind of thing. What we have done here is put carrots in, grated. That's to add some extra green stuff in our diet. It does add a bit of sweetness, which I don't know if it goes with it, but that's personal. What you can do, add a bit of this stuff in. Why not? I know all the purists in Holland are probably going, what are you doing? Hey, it's my dinner.
Yeah.